Okay guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to install this Ddns bot that will ping and check the ports and give you all the statuses. Heads up, I am doing it on Windows, and for some reason on Windows I'm suspecting Nmap is not giving the correct results. I have to change the command. I have to think about it and figure it out. But on Linux this should work. Windows, I'll show you guys later on. Maybe you guys can figure it out yourselves, or maybe I'll figure it out. Whatever. It's a prefix. Anyway, so these are the lists that we're going to ping. Of course, on Windows, it's not going to show it correctly, but let's just, for now, figure it out. Okay, so I have this list. I have this package on the right. We're going to use this. I'm also going to show you how to install it. I'm just going to show you real quick how it runs. So I run this and it loads, and on Windows you can make this as a timer in services. I'm not sure. I can show you eventually. Every 15 minutes, every hour, every whatever, you can do it as a script in the background. Something should run. Okay. I'm going to pause this for a minute. So I'm going to put the script on the side for now. Really got to make this timer to less. It was actually, when I started, I think like 15 or 30. Okay. So I'm gonna keep on. Alright, we'll wait a little bit more. Okay, you know what? Pause that, you missed it. But anyway, here it is. This is what happened. Everything is down, which by the way, it's not. I changed some settings before in the script, which is here. This is the flags that Nmap uses. I was playing around and I did see different results. I'm going to show you this for a second. This is the Nmap Windows version. Let's ping google.com. You can play around and see what the prefix for Windows should be. Let's just do something like this for now. I don't think Google is the right source for this, but Nmap should tell you. Never mind. It is. So port 80 and 443 is open, which 80 is HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, let's continue on. So let me show you how to install it. Okay, all you really need, and I'm going to create a new folder to show you, is node.js. You're going to have to download that on your computer. New. I'm going to call it new for new install. I'm going to need this, and this, and we're going to talk about the API from Google, and I'm going to put it here. These are the three things you really need. This is the packages, and this is our script, and this is the package version, whatever. So I'm going to cd into new, and all I need to write is, once you have Node.js, all I need to write is this: npm ci, and boom. I'll install everything you need. Perfect. What is this? What are we getting an error code here? Are we getting an error code? I wonder what happens if I just do this. Oh. npm install, I don't know. Okay. Anyway, that's all you really need. And let's now head up to, let's create an API. from Google. Okay, console.developers.google.com. You are going to click Libraries. You're going to type Sheet API. You're going to click Manage. Create credential. And then you're going to click Google Sheet API. You are going to use Node.js, I believe application data, and you're going to click No. So again, Google Sheet API, web server from Node.js, that's what we're going to use. And I believe it's application data. And no, I'm not using them. Okay, just click these and you click what credentials do I need. Well, after creating, I've skipped a few steps for my security. But after creating it, you will get an email address here. And you will copy that email address and you will put it over here. You're going to click share and you're going to share it directly. You're going to copy and paste that email address. You'll also download your credentials. I can't find it now, so I can't really show it to you. We'll give it another shot. Okay, let's just say I couldn't find it before I had it, but just to show you, you will go eventually to credentials and you click the download button. And once you download it, you will save it on your computer and put the file over here. You can technically edit this and get the email address that you're allowing to make the changes on your sheet. I'll cover that. Sorry, you can get the email address and just share it from in the sheet. If you right click and click edit as Notepad++ or whatever you have. Okay, let's jump into index.js. Over here, you're going to change this to what your the file you just downloaded, the API, the JSON file. You will copy your ID, the sheet ID, and put it here. That's about it. And for the Windows people, you can try to figure this out. In Linux, this is what I use in Linux. This is what originally it was. I find this a little bit more not detailed. What's the word? It works better. For me, this worked better. But in Windows, let's figure this out. I believe this was 10. Let's just make it 30. If you need me to go over it and explain everything, we can do that, but let's see what else we can cover. This is the color codes when something is wrong. Up, down, DNS, timeouts, open, close, filter. Yeah, you can change the colors. You're welcome to play around with the script. Hey, please share it with us. At least for the Windows people, I would like to know what the heck. But this will work in Linux. Okay, let's cover more stuff. In the script in Google Sheets, I have tested before a way to check HTTP by row or whatever it is. You can test it out. I don't recommend it, but if you do want to have a way to work things out, I will leave something in the sheet. Um, but yeah, that's about it. Covered pretty much a lot in 10 minutes. Oh yeah, for the test. Um, sorry, I just went back to new. This is our files. It's doing everything. Everything we need. Oh, for Linux people. These two files, I'm not sure what this is, but these two files, you're gonna probably want to configure this. So in the foo timer, it tells it will say when to run the timer every 5 minutes, every 50 minutes on boot, after boot 5 minutes, and then every 15 initial, every 50 minutes it runs the script runs. Google has a limit. The Google Sheet has a limit of how many edits. The working directly, the username. I'm gonna pretty much. Maybe I'll just leave this in the script as well. What else? I have to find out what this is. Index.js, SWP. I also made a kind of a list somewhere. Let me find it. Here it is, what everything does. And map. Yeah, I'll leave this as well. All the functions. I'll have to actually read this now for Windows. Maybe we'll have something ready for Windows soon. Okay, it's just different methods of getting addresses. I think Windows and Linux, there's some issues, the difference. Alright guys, as easy as that. You can also, yeah, one more thing. I have Windows 7, but if you go to Task Scheduler and create a basic task, let's say glide something, Ddns. You can run it daily, weekly, monthly, one time when the computer starts, when I log in, when a specific event is logged. So let's say daily. Let's say 10 times a day, or 12 for each hour. Start a program, display message, program script. So you can literally just type node.js, whatever, but before we do that, let me pause this. You can literally just do something like start.bat. It's fine, we'll rename it. And right click and edit it. You guys probably know this already. Echo off. You can write timer starting or whatever. Echo timer DDNS. Yeah. Start. I don't know. But you can do node.js. Or if it's already installed, you can write index. Just write this. Node index.js. I'm going to save it. I'm going to test it first. Yep, it works. Yep. And you can run it every 15 minutes in the background and hopefully I'm not making a mistake here, by just browsing, or you can even do something like this. You can technically just write node : / index.js and this. Can add an argument. Well, let's see if this will work actually. Okay, let's test it out. It appears as though agreement has been included in the program text box. Do you want to run the following program node? Find remnants, no P. Yeah. So open the program task. Let's give it a test. There it is. Glide DDNS. And we're going to run it. It runs, but I don't know why it doesn't run in the background. Well, you can probably solve on that with an argument. I'm not going to do this with you, but I'm just showing you how it works. I'm assuming this will not show. Or actually it will, because I'm doing it correct. Properties. Hidden. Here you go. Whatever, you can just play around with it. It's not start every 10 minutes. Computer's idle for 10 minutes, or wait, there's different settings. You can play around with it. You can make it run 10 minutes every whatever it is. Okay. Actually, I just realized shocking different results up here. So it is doing something wrong with, I guess Google is blocking it. I'm not sure what it is, but you know, this. Oh, one more thing I need to cover. Important triggers. So look at triggers here. I'm running both of these every 5 minutes. So this will last online timestamp. Okay, so this script, I don't know why I'm doing it this way, but this script pretty much copies everything that's in the note and then puts it over here. And if I run it, okay, and this script pretty much checks the timestamp. So let me run that script. This will be the results. And when I run the timestamp, and then it will run, well, delete this. Nothing will come unless there's a check. Okay.